Which body groomer for men is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Manscaped Lawn Mower 5. First up is the Manscaped Lawn Mower 5. Priced at $109.99, this trimmer caught my eye with its dual-head skin-safe technology. If you want a close shave without the fear of nicks, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The interchangeable skin-safe blade heads allow you to trim and get a smooth finish, all while being waterproof. That means you can use it in the shower, and with a battery life of up to 60 minutes, it's designed for convenience. Plus, the dual-temp LEDs help you see exactly what you're doing, no matter your skin tone. With over 9,700 reviews and a 4.2-star rating, it's clearly a popular choice. Now, some people complained about the price being a bit steep for a trimmer. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about grooming and want something that can handle sensitive areas effectively, this one's a solid investment. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a high-quality, reliable body groomer. Skip this one if you're not ready to invest a bit more for better technology and design. Product number 2, OLOV Electric Body Trimmer. Next up, we have the OLOV Electric Body Trimmer, retailing at just $29.99. This caught my attention for its budget-friendly price while still boasting solid features. If you're after something effective without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. The OLOV trimmer uses ceramic blades that are designed not to pull or irritate your skin, making it perfect for those sensitive areas. It's also waterproof, which means trimming in the shower is a breeze. With 20,300 reviews and a 4.2-star rating, this trimmer is clearly doing something right. However, some users reported that the battery life could be better. But honestly, for the price, you're getting a reliable trimmer that does the job well. Just keep it plugged in after use and you should be fine. This is perfect for you if you want a dependable, affordable trimmer for all areas of the body. Skip this one if you're looking for high-end features and premium durability. Product number 3, PRITCH Manscaped Trimmer. Now let's talk about the PRITCH Manscaped Body Hair Trimmer, priced at only $17.99. This one surprised me with its performance considering the low price. If you want a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on quality, this is worth a serious look. With 1,100 reviews and a 4.5-star rating, it's definitely making waves in the grooming world. Now, some reviewers mentioned the design feels a bit cheap. Here's the thing though, for the price, it performs exceptionally well and gets the job done without unnecessary frills. This is perfect for you if you're on a tight budget but still want a decent grooming tool. Skip this one if you prefer more advanced features or longer-lasting materials. Product number 4, Manscaped Manscaped Trimmer. Up next is the Manscaped Manscaped Trimmer, available for $39.99. What caught my attention is the emphasis on comfort during use. If you're looking for a trimmer that prioritizes your comfort while grooming, this is worth a serious look. The Manscaped trimmer uses aerospace-grade materials, which means it's built for safety and reliability, especially for those delicate areas. With a battery life that offers up to 90 minutes of use, you won't find yourself rushing. And it's waterproof, so trimming in the shower is no issue. It has a solid 4.3-star rating from 17,600 reviews. However, some users have mentioned that it can be a bit bulky. But honestly, the comfort and safety features make it worth trying, especially for men who prioritize those aspects. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable trimmer that prioritizes comfort. Skip this one if you prefer a more compact design. Product number 5, Norelco Philips All-in-One Trimmer. Finally, we have the Norelco Philips All-in-One 3000 series, priced at $34.96. This one stood out to me because it's truly an all-in-one tool. If you want a versatile trimmer that can handle more than just body hair, this is worth a serious look. This trimmer features self-sharpening full metal blades and comes with 13 attachments for various grooming tasks, from beard trimming to nose hair. It's easy to use and has an ergonomic handle that feels great in your hand. With over 193,100 reviews and a 4.5-star rating, it's clearly a favorite. However, some people found the battery life a bit short compared to others. But the versatility makes it a fantastic option for someone who wants a single tool to handle multiple grooming needs. This is perfect for you if you want a comprehensive grooming solution in one device. Skip this one if you're only focused on body grooming and prefer something specialized. So there you have it, the Manscaped Lawnmower 5 for those who want premium features, the OLOV for budget-friendly reliability, the PRITCH for excellent performance at a low price, the MANSPOT for comfort and safety, and the Norelco for all-in-one versatility. Each has its pros and cons, so think about what matters most to you and choose accordingly.